So today, I'm breaking down the Lowrance Active Target 2 XL setup and giving you my honest thoughts after getting it dialed in on the water. First off, installation is actually simpler than you'd expect. Once you mount the transducer, whether it's on the trolling motor or shaft, you'll want to make sure it's sitting perfectly level in the water. That alone makes a huge difference in image clarity. Now, when you fire it up, the first thing you'll notice is just how wide that 180-degree view really is. You can track your lure from the second it hits the water all the way back to the boat, which honestly feels like cheating sometimes. The switch between forward and down modes is quick and smooth, no lag, no hassle. And Scout mode? That's where it really shines for finding fish fast. As for whether it's worth the money, yeah, it's expensive, but the amount of detail and control you get is next level. If you're serious about fishing, this isn't just a toy, it's a game changer.